Are you struggling? What kind of instrument my kid should start learning first? Of course, piano. Everybody wants to start and learn piano. But let me tell you, there's a big problem. My name is Marco. I'm a music composer, musicologist, but especially music educator. I love teaching, I love working with kids, and let me show you some of the most obvious options to start learning music. So this is a piano. One sound of the same, because whatever I play, soft, loud, this is the sound of the piano. It can be a beautiful sound, it can be a beautiful piano. There is another problem that now you have to tune it quite often. This piano, I don't tune it really long time. This is my family piano, and I love it. I learned on this piano, but I don't play it long time, and now it's really out of tune. It's big. The piano is loud. No matter soft and quiet you will try to play, the piano is loud. So, and especially as only one sound. Let me explain you better. I am a pianist. First of all, I'm a pianist. I love piano. I don't want to discourage you to start with piano. I'm just saying that the piano today is a little bit restricted. And that is this a very simple music keyboard. This is a really basic version, let me tell you. But still, it's a really good way how to start learning not only the notes, but also the concept of sounds, the concept of timbre, the concept of rhythm. Something that in the piano, in the classical piano, let me call you classical piano, you don't have it. Piano, it's like violin, it's like flute. It is an instrument that was built for a really clear purpose. Of course, entertain, play concert, but this was the top of technologies, the technology, let's say until 100 years ago. Now we are in 2024, and so this is an option that, especially when you're a kid and you want to start, it's suggested to keep in mind. Okay. I bought this keyboard. Really, I don't really even don't remember how much it's cost, but really low, and immediately has an horrible sound. This is the sound of a terrible piano, right? But the first thing that you can do is lower the volume. Much better, right? I know. And immediately imagine your kids, they are learning at the beginning, and all the time they have to play this tune, and then they will play wrong notes. You just lower down the volume. When they play the piano, you cannot lower down the volume. And this will be very loud and annoying, because there will be a lot of noise and wrong notes. Here not. You can absolutely lower down the volume. Or, this is the biggest thing that, believe me, it's really important, especially for kids that they want to explore the concept of music. As I said before, music is a language. You need to learn how to speak it. And would be interesting to learn how to speak it with different sound. Not only a piano, but with a funny sound. Something that I really love is this one. And then even Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, which sounds much nicer. And then we'll start to do very strange or they are starting to explore. Or they can have, for example, I don't know, strings. And they will start to learn. And even when they are wrong, it become like something more mysterious. So I'm ready. We already have 3 sounds. You have here, I don't know, around 100. This is an economical starting point. It doesn't need a lot of big investment, but it can give a lot of fun. Just pressing also this one. And I love it. Because here, instead of having a metronome of a click that click, 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 and they don't know how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star on time, they are pressing the sound of the rhythm of the drum. They can be also even a little bit more advanced with one finger having a rhythm, an accompaniment. And end. So this is a big difference. Here, it's a serious, amazing instrument that I would suggest to approach with a little bit of more, I can say, maturity. This is a fun instrument that we can make. Actually, it can be also funny because this can be a really fun sound, and your kids can have a lot of fun. So, keyboard or piano? Now you know how to choose between piano and keyboard. Please don't overdo it. Make your choice. And if you have any more questions, please write it in the comments. If you like this video, press subscribe, press like, and see you in the next video.